Liberation. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Only with confidence. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. I wanna be better than yesterday. Nowadays, life, think positive, act positive, be swift to hear, slow to speak, and slow to write. Above all, be funny, smart, good-looking vibes, and be yourself. Patient and attention to details make all the difference. Also, willingness. Life is not that easy to live. As a child, thinking inside the box, it was like my world. Now, time flies, leads me to a man that I am now. My life is not in what I think the most, but in my actions. You know what? I get these hands, this scripted pattern. The smooth hook, the tangibles of creativity, humanity, and imagination. You can create anything that can hold a piece of your soul, but you can. A cornerstone was named after rejection. Believe in yourself. Don't give up. Be responsible for your parasite. Put some TLC in your hands. Everything comes with skills. Base of education is the key to a dream life. Practice makes perfection to a dream life. So pay attention to details. Listen to all your feedbacks, where they came from, because in the end you created your own demons. The world of your own creation will always hunting you down. You got that right. Nevertheless, make time works for you. You only got one life, so live to the fullest. What goes around will always come around. Sometimes to make you better than yesterday, or to teach you a lesson. But I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Only with confidence. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. I wanna be better than yesterday. My mind is telling me things that I cannot ignore. It's time to say goodbye to all my weakness. Everything that is weighing me down. Enough is enough. It's too late to think twice. I don't have to give up. I don't have to turn myself back. This is my life. I'm willing to weather the storm in my way. And this is not about to be a hero. We all have lives and dreams and choices. And confidence is not a fake it. We all have to stand for something that we love. But mostly we all have to stand for something that we know. So it's all about put yourself in the game. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Remember, you have to fight a battle more than just to once, only to win it. Only with confidence. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Only with confidence. I wanna be better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. I wanna be better than yesterday.